I'm Harry Williams from WS News, and this is Oliver Jones. People throughout the United Kingdom are being affected by severe storms, and our garages are going to be flooded with rainwater yet again. Shoo! Go away! Right, where were we? Oh yes, our garages. They're used to store our belongings, as gyms.
Harry, if I could interrupt.
Oh, for goodness sake. Shush! Garages are mainly used to house vehicles, as pet rooms, and as workshops, and commercial premises suffer too. Oh heavens, there's going to be a lot of sweeping this weekend, folks.
Harry, if I may.
It's all because the doors don't compress fully onto the floor, leaving a gap which allows leaves and water in the garage.
WeatherStop threshold seals are the solution to these problems. Just measure the width of your garage door when it's closed. Measure the largest gap under the garage door. Then visit their website and place your order. The delivery is super fast and installation is simple. Once fitted, a watertight seal is created, keeping your garage clean and dry for years to come. The WeatherStop threshold seal will also stand up to heavy traffic, and they're available in various heights and lengths to suit virtually any garage or commercial warehouse door. Yellow warning lines provide a visual reminder that the seal is in place. And most importantly, they keep your garage or warehouse floors clean and dry in the event of gentle drizzle, storm weather, or flooding. WeatherStop has outstanding customer service representatives that are always available to answer your questions. And every threshold comes with a 5-year product warranty. Keep your garage clean and dry with a WeatherStop threshold seal.
Why didn't you tell us this before?